All right, so some of you guys on Storm Track were wondering about fire pagers for weather radio. Well, this is how I do it. Now, the alert already hit out, so I can't get it live, of course, but when it gets paged, it'll beep or vibrate, depending on how you have your settings programmed, and the SV models will save your warning. So this one just came over a second ago.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Jefferson County and West Central Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Reynolds for 8 miles east of Brookville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Reynoldsville around 8:05 p.m. Broad around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Falls Creek and Sequesville. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 83 and 96. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an empty room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.